Maximize your Land Rover Defender's trunk space with a dedicated storage box. Made from durable Oxford fabric and featuring a smart rear door hanging design, this product helps you organize your gear neatly and conveniently. If you find this useful, leave a 1 and subscribe to our channel to explore more fantastic accessories. Upgrade your vehicle with the black sequential LED turn signal lights from High Flying. Compatible with various models, these LEDs not only enhance safety during lane changes, but also add a sporty, modern look. Easy to install with no modifications required, the product is available on Amazon and at many other auto accessory stores. Keep your belongings secure with the JK Cover Hidden Storage Box for Toyota Tacoma. Made from plastic and matching the vehicle's interior color, this product is easy to install without tools. With its concealed and secure design, this storage box maximizes the center console space, keeping your items organized and out of sight. Enhance your vehicle's interior with JDM Car's dashboard trim. Made from durable ABS plastic in a sleek matte black finish, this trim not only protects your dashboard from scratches, but also adds a touch of style. Easy to install and clean, it is available on Amazon. Maximize your dashboard space with this versatile phone mount. Easy to install and adjust, it's compatible with most smartphones and made from sturdy materials to keep your phone stable while driving. For purchase, visit Amazon and subscribe to our channel to discover more exciting accessories. Check out the white carbon fiber steering wheel cover for your Tesla Model 3, Shuttle Y. It's slip-resistant, breathable, and protects your steering wheel from scratches, while also enhancing your driving feel and aesthetics. Be sure to check the size and install it correctly to ensure safe driving. Protect your Toyota Tacoma's fuel cap with the anti-theft and safety lock fuel cap. This product not only resists corrosion, but also enhances your vehicle's appearance with its stylish trim. Comment 1 if you like this fuel cap, or 2 if you don't. Discover the Trico Gold 22-inch windshield wiper, offering optimal performance with an all-weather design, easy installation, and a friction-resistant ceramic coating. It provides up to 1.5 million wipe cycles and clears the windshield without leaving streaks. Check compatibility with your vehicle on the Trico website or with your auto dealer. To keep exploring accessories with us, leave a comment with the number 1. The CRP 123 V2.0 Plus Elite RA is a comprehensive automotive diagnostic tool that offers full system diagnostics, basic reset functions, and live data. Easy to use and comes with lifetime free updates, making it ideal for both amateur and professional users. Looking to protect your car's interior? The Taupe Install interior mat, set for Toyota RAV4 and RAV4 Prime, includes 16 high-quality rubber pieces with blue and red trim to guard against dirt and scratches. They are easy to clean, non-slip, and enhance your vehicle's aesthetics. Visit Amazon to purchase now. Enhance engine performance with genuine AC Delco iridium spark plugs. These plugs deliver optimal performance with iridium electrodes, improving ignition capability, smooth acceleration, and extended lifespan. They also offer fuel savings and reduced emissions, making them ideal for various vehicle models. Looking to protect your car seats? The TPE seat covers for Mercedes-Benz GLC are the perfect choice. Made from slip-resistant and waterproof TPE material, these covers protect seats from scratches, stains, and sweat, and are easy to clean. With a custom-fit design and simple installation, these seat covers keep your vehicle's interior looking fresh and luxurious, extend the life of your seats, and provide added comfort. From equipping your vehicle with compact accessories to exploring smart devices that enhance your camping experience, discover how to make your trips more comfortable and enjoyable than ever. Start your camping adventure with the BioLite Alpenglow 500, the perfect choice for camping with its 500 lumen output device charging capability, and chroma LED technology that recreates natural colors. Unique features like flickering candle effects and color changing are activated with just a shake. The smart wooden book lamp collection is a stunning addition to your home. When closed, it resembles an exquisite wooden book, but when opened, it transforms into a work of art with warm LED light, providing continuous illumination for up to 8 hours without needing a recharge. Don't let insects bother you outdoors. Without using chemicals, this fan creates an unnatural environment through light refraction, keeping pests like flies and mosquitoes away. With its soft, high-quality blades, the Treva fan is eco-friendly, battery-operated, and easy to carry, allowing you to enjoy nature in peace. Discover the convenience of the Blackstone electric griddle, perfect for small spaces and outdoor gatherings without the need for gas. With 1200 watts of power and a patented glass lid, this griddle allows you to easily prepare a variety of delicious dishes like eggs and bacon, making it ideal for cooking with family and friends. With this compact travel iron, you'll always look flawless no matter where you are. Weighing just 0.81 lb and folding down to the size of your palm, this iron is easy to carry and use. Its flexible design and 6 heat settings make it suitable for various fabrics, ensuring you look perfect wherever you go. If you're struggling with tight jars, robotwist is the perfect solution. This automatic jar opener with powerful torque can handle lids from 1.2 to 3.5 inches, making it easy to open even the toughest lids. Simply place it on the lid, press a button, and let robotwist do the rest, bringing convenience and ease to your daily life. Discover the versatile tool from Puna, inspired by the AR-15, designed for modern life. This compact tool combines a scalpel blade, bottle opener, screwdriver, and hex wrench all in one. It comes with a protective case that is waterproof, dustproof and shockproof, along with 5 carbon steel blades always ready for use. Visit Amazon to get yours now. Experience the 1000 lumen rechargeable flashlight with XHP 70.2 LED chip, illuminating up to 1000 feet and featuring 5 light modes. The 5000 mAh battery offers up to 12 hours of use and can also charge other devices. With its military-grade aluminum alloy casing, it's perfect for outdoor activities. This is the Hike Crew 2 in one water pump system, using propane to heat water for showers, dishwashing and other tasks. Featuring a water heater, adjustable shower and integrated pump, this system is perfect for camping and outdoor activities. It provides up to 50 minutes of continuous use, offering convenience and comfort while outdoors. Did you know the venty battery powered fan combines convenience and performance with 4 speeds, 120 degrees rotation and 180 degrees oscillation, all weighing just 2.6 lb? A full charge allows up to 48 hours of operation and can charge devices via USB. With its 3-tier warm white light and remote control, the venty offers both luxury and comfort.